of what drives students to commit suicide. So, we invite some guests to explain how students may be able to do suicide. So, let's greet our guests. And they are Mr. Vicarmen, Mr. Saralayan, and Mr. Baran. Anyway, all of them are psychologists from UST. So, now let's talk about how students may be able to do suicide. And the first question is for Mr. Bernabet. And here is the question: why will the student attempt to kill themselves?
For some students, suicide will follow a period of depression, while for another, it is likely to be an perhaps triggered by traumatic experience. For example, the death of loved one or by relatively insignificant event which might be seen as the final stroke. And here is some example of how students do suicide. The first one is no one there and that no one really cares. For will notice whether they live or die. The second is feelings of hopelessness and helplessness. For the student feels that no matter what he does, nothing seems to get better and that no one is able to help.
You can contact us or the counseling service. Some of the reasons why students doing that are feelings of worthlessness, of being a waste of space, depressions, plans falling through, inappropriate, high levels of stress, anger, alcohol and drugs, and feeling overwhelmed.
Now, I know the reason why some students doing suicide. So the next question is, what to do if you think someone is contemplating suicide?
Asking if a person feels suicidal is very unlikely to put the idea into their head, and they may feel willing to talk. The second is listen to her or him and try to understand their perspective of the situation. The student may be able to tell you what they need and who might help. The third is discuss, try to discover what might make a difference without imposing your solutions on the situations. The last is over practical help towards problem solving.
It's very helpful for students. So thank you very much for explaining how students avoid suicide. By the way, how the students or the people contact you or the counseling service reception?
You can contact us or the counseling service reception on 12865 or email counseling reception at admin.ac.us.
Again, thank